If you're into eerie sounds, you're going to love this video filled with them. Maybe you're looking for some scary sounds for your next Halloween party, or maybe you're just into this sort of thing. Whatever it might be, you'll appreciate these shocking sounds that we are going to show you. The best way to listen to these 5 scary sounds is to close your eyes, dim the lights, and turn the volume way up. Number 5. Saturn. The Cassini spacecraft has been detecting intense radio emissions from the planet Saturn, and according to NASA, they come from the planet's aurora, where magnetic field lines thread the polar regions. The sound you hear has been converted to human hearing and compressed in time. Number 4. The Wandering Soul. This is an actual audio mix the US military used during the Vietnam War against the North Vietnamese, in an attempt to scare the enemy into submission. You may be brave enough to listen to this in its poor quality state, and in your comfy, well-lit bedroom, but imagine patrolling the jungle as a Vietnam soldier. It's pitch black, and this sounds like it is coming from the distance, and you are all alone. Number 3. Nuclear attack warning. A civil defense siren is a siren used to provide an emergency population warning to the general population of approaching danger. Number 2. This recording from 1860. The phonograph recording from 1860 of Au clair de la lune. This is the first known recording of a human voice. Number 1. Schizophrenic. This one is a representation of the auditory hallucinations experienced by a schizophrenic. It's so heartbreaking to know that we can just close the tab if we want them to stop, but people are living with these voices.
Stupid, pointless, worthless.
Did you touch that one?
Stupid.
Yes, you were. You touched that.